we're about to go ahead and check this store out behind me. Hopefully we find some steals and deals. Lately there's been like 30% going on. We are during the holiday weekend, Memorial Day weekend we are. So hopefully you guys are enjoying that. If you guys also like the content, make sure you, if you want to, go ahead and tip the video. There's a favorite, that little heart down there. The tips go a long way. It goes towards the content, the gas, the food, all that good stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what's going on inside the store. Hit the like button if you see something you like, you dig? Oh, so we got 30% off the back wall, which is dope. We got here a little late, so everything's kind of ran through. We do have some Giannis's down here. $44 with 30% off. I mean, there might be some bangers here. 30% off is kind of crazy. $170 with 30% off. Oh, we got some KHAKI's already here. Size 8.5, $130, so they retail with 30% off. Got the KHAKI's already on deck here. That's not too bad. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Definitely one of the dope colorways. Oh, who's bringing over some of these? Some sixes? The reflective sixes? Oh, what happened? Oh, they swooped them up? Never seen these LeBron soldiers before. They got them here for $79 with an extra 30% off. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Whole bunch of stuff. Got the gum bottom on here. I never seen these LeBrons before. What do you think about these?
Yeah, the only thing is, like, look, you could
been worn. Oh yeah, cracking and shit. What is it? What size is this?
10.5.
10.5. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna get them. Crazy to see them. Cool brung these here for us. Let me show the outsole. There we go. So we got these soldiers. We got these LeBrons right here. The Kyrie Valentine's Day. These Valentine's Day Kyries are definitely dope. Crazy to see them at the outlet so far. And another thing I wanted to mention is the DJ. Whoever selected the playlist for this day at the outlet is on point. Usually they play some totally different type of music. Today we was in the club, you dig? Definitely a dope shoe. Got it here for $130 with 30% off. 30% off, you can't go wrong with that though, bro. You really can't. Got these right here, black colorway, pretty crazy. Never really seen these before. Dunk High 85. And we got these over here, bronze. A lot of people here. I was actually looking at the see what's going on here. Some more soldiers, plenty. Got some golf shoes, KD Trey 5s. I mean, this is a really good spot to go try and scoop up some stuff. For me, I'm usually looking for things that got the full box. Pretty dope though. Maybe some good whatnot finds here too. Oh, shout out to Drum and Cool who kept assisting me with the heat, you dig? The Road Runners on deck, some LeBrons on deck. 109 with an extra 30% off. You can't go wrong with these. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? They got these LeBrons, these Road Runners, which are definitely crazy. What do you guys think about these? And then we got these LeBrons right here too. 14, boom. Let me know what you guys think about these. They got them in a size 14. Retail with 30% off though. You can't go wrong with that. A lot of people want these shits. LeBron size 14, bro. That's crazy. They got the Road Runners with the BB. Pretty crazy. Pretty dope LeBron find right here though. LeBron Palmer, size 14. Wish that tag was a little different, but that's still a great find right there. Just gonna let you record because there's a lot of people here, a lot of things going on. See Cool Kids right there doing his thing. Put this down here. A lot of good things here for 30% off though, not even gonna lie. Let's go ahead and check out. We got some of these Fly East here. Pretty dope, size 7. Let's go check out some of the aisles and come back to this. Yeah, those are pretty dope. I like that colorway.
These are the ones that you couldn't get. They had resale.
I don't want those. Heck no, not me. Yeah, those are pretty cool. I like that colorway.
I was looking for one for my girl's old ass parents.
Oh, damn, 169 still. What's up with these Air Max 90s right here? These are actually pretty dope. 99, size 13, normally 160. Let's go ahead and check these to the side, check them out. This reminds me of the shoe that I just got the other day. What do you guys think about this one in the comment section below? Nike Fine, Nike Outlet Fine, I should say. Crazy outsole, not too mad at these, size 13. Like I said, it's 99 bucks with the 30% off. You can't go wrong with that. Would you guys pick these up or not? Came across these, man. These are definitely dope. What do you guys think about these freaks? Size 13, $44 with an extra 30% off. That's ridiculous right there. What do you guys think about these in the comments below? As we got these slides right here too, I think that's pretty fire.
Shoes, you can't keep shoes underneath, like in the closet, in the garage.
No, you can't. They definitely will. You gotta keep them in their box. Yeah.
Oh, it's cool. Like,
these are crazy.
I learned a lesson, like with shoes. Like,
yeah. They got some team colorways for Giannis's. That's great. For Zion's. Nah, he hasn't played at all.
The only thing that I don't like about Zion is that he's getting a lot of weight because his mom.
These are pretty dope too. Definitely seen these ones in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about these. I definitely fuck with these. They got some of these on deck for 89 bucks. These are definitely pretty fire. We saw these at East LA. Pretty good size run of them. We got some Air Max 90s in a triple white colorway too. This one's actually pretty fire. Pretty good size run of these also. And then they got some 270 Reacts for 79 bucks. Normally 150. Size 12s, 11s. Slide on down here. See what else we got. Nothing else to really write home about besides these two shoes right here. The Core Light and the Air Max 90 in this colorway. I do think that is pretty fire. We definitely seen this in the outlets or in the stores. It's still regular retail, and I don't think there's no discounts for this one. Not sure what this was, but you guys can see it's all gone. Like these right here are pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. In black and white, this right here kind of got like that elastic band. I think it's pretty interesting. Checkered, but I don't know. I'm just gonna go with these two things. We got the freaks, and then we got this penny shirt, a black one, the little penny shirt. It's only 10 bucks. A lot of dope tops, man. What do you guys think about these? What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? These are pretty dope. A lot of dope shit over here though. A lot of dope shit. 49, 59. It really depends. Damn. How long will this happen? Side right here. Look at this Zion Williams shirt right here. This is kind of clean. My favorite color combination, that red and that navy blue. This one is actually pretty clean right here. What's the retail on it? 21 with 30% off, or actually 40% off on apparel. Jumpman slides, 30% off. What's the regular tag? So 49 with 30% off. You can't go wrong with that either, bro. Tons of stuff right here, man. What are you guys scooping up? 40% off on these. We'll definitely come and look at some more stuff here because we got some moves to make, but they do have a great selection of stuff. Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comment section below. All right.
And then if there's nothing, I can come back and say that line.
For sure. For sure. Excuse me. So we're in line, kind of back here a little bit. Found two items that I want to scoop up. Got the line all the way over there, but it is what it is. That's how it ends out, bro. A lot of madness happening here. This is what's going on here at the outlet. Pretty crazy day today. And you see what we're coming out of here with. A lot of great things to find here at the outlet, as you guys can see. The weekend, Memorial Day weekend, definitely the day to come to the outlet for real.